Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly delicious recipe that will satisfy your taste buds. We're making creamy garlic parmesan chicken. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 cup chicken broth. 1 cup heavy cream. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. 1. Next, heat up a skillet over medium-high heat and add olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the seasoned chicken breasts to the skillet. Cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes per side or until they are golden brown and cooked through. While the chicken is cooking, let's make the creamy garlic parmesan sauce. Add minced garlic to the skillet and sauté it for a minute until fragrant. Now, pour in the chicken broth and scrape the bottom of the skillet to release any brown bits. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes until the broth reduces slightly. Next, add the heavy cream and grated Parmesan cheese to the skillet. Stir everything together until the cheese melts and the sauce thickens. To enhance the flavors, sprinkle in some dried oregano and season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the chicken is fully cooked, transfer it to a serving plate. Finally, generously spoon the creamy garlic parmesan sauce over the chicken. Garnish with some fresh parsley to add a pop of color. And there you have it. Creamy garlic parmesan chicken, ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. We hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy cooking!